In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide archived Loom video. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tidy up your Loom workspace without deleting anything, so your current recordings stay front and center while your older ones are neatly tucked away. First, sign into your Loom account and head to your dashboard. This is your home base in Loom, where you can see your recent activity and all your content. If you're not already signed in, log in so you land on the dashboard view. From here, we'll do everything in just a few clicks. Next, open My Videos. This is the main library for your recordings. If you have a lot of videos, take a moment to scan through and identify the ones you no longer need to see every day. The idea is to keep your active workspace clear, while still keeping older content safely stored. Now, select the video or videos you want to move. You can click to select one at a time, or use the checkboxes to pick several at once. A quick tip: grouping related recordings together, like completed projects, past demos, or outdated walkthroughs, makes this process faster and keeps your archive consistent. With your selections made, click Move To. You'll usually see this at the top or in the toolbar once items are selected. This tells Loom you want to relocate those videos into a different folder rather than delete or duplicate them. When the Move To menu opens, create or choose a folder named Archive or Old Videos. The actual name is up to you, but keeping it simple and obvious helps everyone understand its purpose. If you're collaborating with a team, stick to one standard name so it's easy for everyone to find. You can add a brief description to the folder later if you want to clarify what belongs there. Finally, move the videos into that folder. Loom will confirm the move, and you'll notice your main My Videos view is already cleaner. The recordings aren't gone. They're just organized out of sight so you can focus on what's current. Your existing share links and permissions stay the same, so anything you've already shared remains accessible. That's it. By logging in, opening My Videos, selecting your recordings, clicking Move To, choosing or creating an archive or old videos folder, and moving them there, you've effectively hidden your archived Loom videos. Use this anytime a video is out of date but still worth keeping. Periodically review the folder to keep it useful, and enjoy a clutter-free dashboard that makes finding your most important content faster and easier.